Alright guys, so today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on these Flavorizer bars for Weber style grills. I actually don't have a Weber, but I am going to try to install them on my Dyno Glow as they do need to be replaced. So we'll see if they fit, but look at what the good quality on these are. Really good quality. So let's see if I can get these to be replaced. Okay, and the installation process on these are actually fairly simple. As you can see how bad mine have actually gotten. So it was actually kind of good that I got these in, as they actually did need to be replaced. It literally just like plug and play on them. You literally just insert them onto the little hooks that are on the grill. And it'll leave it looking like new. They also just do come in a 3-pack, and they do fit most of the 2017 and up models. I do want to show you what it look in comparison. Check it out. But I do highly recommend these. Definitely a 10 out of 10.